Welcome back to another Click tutorial. My name is Jasper, I'm the CTO here at Click, and today we're going to be running through how to connect OpenAI's Whisper with Bubble. So Whisper is their voice model that you can use and their API. So we're going to basically connect it up with Bubble and allow you to use that throughout your applications. So as you can see, we've got a blank page right here, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to jump over to plugins, and we're going to download two plugins, and those are one right here, which is the API connector. So we'll go install, and we're also going to search for music player, and you'll see one right here by Bubble. Click install. Now we're going to come over to the API connector. We're going to call this one right here OpenAI, and then we're going to come across to the OpenAI document here for the API, and we're going to be doing audio. I will have a link of this in the description so you can find it of the video, but all we're going to do is just copy this API information here, and we're going to go import from another call, paste it in there, go import, and then we're going to come over here and change the name to, let's say, voice. We're going to change data to action. We're going to change data type to file. And then right here, we're going to need to put our API key. So we're going to come across, got one saved. And then we're going to come down to the actual body of the information. So this is a JSON post request. And we're going to need to change this right here. So what we're going to do is we'll copy that across and we'll go prompt. And as you can see, you can use these two values for dynamic information. Then we're going to paste that in there. We're going to make that visible, so not private. We're going to make these two private as no one needs to see it. And then we're going to go initialize. Done. So we're all okay there. We're going to come back to our application. We're then going to go input. We're then going to need a button. And we're then going to need that music player. So we'll put that there. And then what we're also going to do is we're going to come across to index, so the page itself. We're going to add a new state, and we're going to call this audio. And what we're going to do is we're going to make this text, because it's going to be used for a URL. Now what we're going to do here is we turn the input into prompt. We turn the button into send. We turn the audio player as it is. We'll add some text here. So send. Now for the dynamic link, we're going to use the index link we just created before. So the audio, that's all we need to do. We're then going to come across to send. We're going to add a new workflow. We're going to come across here, we're going to add a plugin. As you can see, OpenAI Voice, click that. We're then going to get rid of the default text. We're then going to go input, and we see we've got prompt there. We're going to grab its value, and we're also going to make it JSON safe, so it's not going to interrupt that JSON information we're sending across, as you saw in the API. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go set state, we're going to go index, that audio one we had before, and then we're going to go result of step 1, and we're going to get the URL of that file created from OpenAI. So this sends the request across. We then get the audio file, add the URL link into our page, and then hopefully this here will pick it up and we'll be able to play it. So let's give it a go. Now we'll go, hello, I'm clicked. Oh. And then we'll go send. As you can see, it's working. Okay, should have come back.
Hello, I'm clicked.
As you can see, I'm not too sure if you can hear that. I'll turn up my volume and we'll try that again.
Hello, I'm clicked.
Yep, so as you can see, that's just that easy. We're able to send a request across. It will translate that text into voice and send it back to us, and it's just that easy. Only took us a couple of minutes to implement that. Now, if you are interested in getting help with your Bubble application or your AI application, don't hesitate to reach out to Clicked, as we do develop these types of applications. And look forward to seeing you at the next video. Thanks for watching.